how to connect your broker account to MD5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. And now you can see there is settings option at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on that settings. And now you can see new account at the very first. So just tap on new account and you can see I already have an account of a broker, perhaps unlimited, shown in the screen. So for your broker, you simply need to enter your server name or your broker name in search bar. So just tap on search bar and let's say I want to connect with Xness. So just search Xness. And now once you search it, you can see there's lots of options of Xness in here. So you can choose any of them according to your region or server. So for example, let me choose the very first one to show you a demo. So once you tap on it, you can see it is asking us for our login ID and our password. So once you enter your credentials, simply tap on sign in, because once you complete your credentials, your sign in option will be enabled. So once you tap on sign in, you will be able to connect your broker account with MetaTrader 5 successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to connect your MetaTrader 5 app with broker. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.